Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Uh, Now I like to share you the user experience of our new uh, apps, Carbon Job Maintenance Job Card apps. So here we are seeing 10 vehicles awaiting for inspection, which are arrived few days ago or yesterday. Um, Suppose we like to create job card for stock number 22, and this is stock number 22. Just only select this vehicle. So this is our targeted vehicle. We like to create job card for this vehicle. In this stage we need to uh, click on the image, so that a pop-up form will automatically open with the chassis number. We don't need to edit or touch this part, just we need to add the job details. Suppose I am adding some job details like engine oil sense, and number 2 is a timing belt, tire problem, okay. So then next part, we need to declare that spare parts needed or not. If spare parts need, we will select yes. Suppose we like to select yes, and then we need to set a tentative date for readiness. So I am selecting here 10th October is the tentative date. Then set. Then we need to click next. After clicking next, as previously I selected spare parts needed, yes. So the spare parts section automatically open here, and we need spare parts like tire 4-piece, tire 4-piece, and second engine oil. Okay, engine oil. Then we need to click submit. After submitting, the message, inspection card message, will show here, and our work has done for this job card. And now we will go again our dashboard, and I am pushing the video now, as after completing a job card, it will automatically reflect to the next part within 15 minutes. It usually takes 5 to 6 or 5 to 8 minutes, and I am coming back after 5 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes we are coming back here. So here the status automatically has changed, awaiting for inspection. Here 9 vehicles are awaiting, and parts needed, as we were select spare parts need. So here 2 vehicles are awaiting, showing the vehicle list here. So this is 22 stock number, and as we previously write for tire 4-piece and engine oil for this vehicle, it's showing here. And the maintenance ongoing tab here showing the vehicle also at the last serial number. We will bring it top in next modification. And here we are seeing the problem of the vehicle. The problem is engine oil change and tire problem. So Now we like to complete the job, as we are guess the parts has already done and installation has already done. So now we need to close the job, and when we closed the job, the status will automatically change from maintenance to ready for delivery, and the awaiting for inspection part will automatically pull data from uh, our shipping sheet, and ready for delivery will increase by closing job as the vehicles are ready for delivery, and decrease when a sales entry made, it will decrease from here. So now we like to close the job. To close the job, we need to click close job part, and then a pop-up form will automatically open with the vehicle chassis number. So we do not need to change or touch this part, just we need to uh, enter the execution part. Suppose engine oil sensed changed, and second part is port tire sense, port tires sensed. So, and is vehicle fully ready for delivery? Yes, and this vehicle is fully ready for delivery. Then we need to click submit button, and after submitting the form, it will take another 15 minutes to reflect on the next step. We like to refresh manually. So this is another option from PC. If we need immediate sense, we will sense the we can do it immediately by clicking refresh data. Okay, this option will have only for admin users or who has edit responsibility. So as I have edit responsibility, and just it I click the refresh data, and okay, here we are showing the reflection. It changed with 5, and the 5th number are at the last row, and job details also showing here. And when the one of the vehicle of this list will sold out, it will automatically remove from here. So this is and the main functionality of the basic functionality of this app. We will develop more, we will collect more requirement, and include gradually. Thank you.